Yeah, here we are. Rear end is back in, the rear axle's back in the dual rear. And somebody was asking about bearings. That's how many bearings you got. On these axles. They're not exactly easy to take care of and reassemble. You break something at the track, you're maybe not going to get it put back together. It's going to take you a while to drop this out. So far, probably just replacing the broken swing mount and the broken brake rotor. It's probably about 2 to 3 hours of work right there. So get everything else plumbed back up. We had the engines off, tore those down, took a look at them. The right engine was the one that let go over to Whiteland, or the mount actually let go. The engine's just fine. I'm just hanging out here in the garage is the shovel head that Steve was working on. All put back together, running. That was his winter project. That and the rat rod. So yeah, shovel head's back up, operational, and road ready. Put back together brake pads. Put new brake pads in this caliper here. So, but yeah, running dual calipers, getting that back together, assembled. Then we'll have to bleed the brakes. Oh. And yeah, each one of these is a bearing on each side. So swing mount bearing, frame bearing, and swing mount bearing. These are the lock collars. Make sure things don't slide around. You can see out here I run a pair of lock collars. Everything's keyed. Another lock collar, another bearing. I'm going to pressure bleed these brake lines. This is the 32nd method. Screw that 1/4 inch nipple fitting into the master cylinder. Up here. He applies pressure as I open this up. Open. Okay. I'll go back there. Now you come back here so they can see what I'm doing.
Yep.
Okay. Got it? Where you can see it? Back up. There you go. Okay, open. Fluid came out. He's done with the pressure. That quick. There's not going to be 1 ounce of air left in that brake line anyplace. That's how you bleed your brakes in 30 seconds. Then you take this thing back out. Fill up your cylinder. Top everything off. The Alley Cat 7 out of the garage. Oval track's got things kind of messed up, so I'm going to pull this thing out. and see if we can get the race ready. And run the 206 class someplace. We've never really shaken it down. We've ran a couple times and then took it right to the Rock Island Grand Prix and got spanked pretty hard, but we figured some things out on it over the years, but it's been a couple of years. But at some point we'll probably change the nose out, change the body work out, but if it works. But we'll be doing some shakedown on it and see if we can get lap times up to at least a little bit, make it competitive.